Hello, hi guys. I'm pretty sure you're wondering already, Ben, what kind of topic is this one? Which one is this one again? I know a whole lot of people wear their boxers or their underwear to the gym. Trust me, I've been a victim before, no lie, and I can absolutely tell you this is nowhere healthy. You need to be able to separate your underwears or your gym wears totally from what you wear every day. It is totally not acceptable. You need to get absolutely, like, you sweat every time and then the sweat like goes all over your gym wear or your clothes, and that is not too nice. You're emitting out a whole lot of sweat and a whole lot of things that are not too good. So keep it separate, put it separate. And I'm going to be showing you some couple of stuff that you can wear as your underwear, like an under tight that you can wear at your gym. Absolutely amazing. They came like some years ago in some good technologies just for you to be able to sweat and dry it up immediately. They are called Dree-Fit technology. They have breathable holes in them. Immediately you're sweating, they are kind of like evaporating immediately. You don't even sweat like that much. And yes, what it is, absolutely, they are the pro combat, amazing. I hope you guys can see it anyways. So this is like the long one, like you can wear this under like your shirt or something. Amazing, elastic, tight, have breathable holes. If you look through them, that's close enough. Amazing. They come in different colors as well. Like the short one, absolutely as well. Comes amazing. Look at it. This is my favorite actually. This one has like the kind of cheetah stripes on it. Look at it. Like look at the holes. Can you see that? Amazing. They dry up immediately. Amazing. I know say I sell market, but if I don't sell my market, who else I go sell for? But anyways, yeah. On the more serious note, like there's a whole lot like happening when you wear your boxers. For me, for instance, when I wear my boxers and I go to the gym and the treadmill, like the boxers keep coming up and then they keep hanging around. You know what I mean? And then there's a whole lot of heat there, and as a guy, if you sweat a whole lot there with a whole lot of heat right there, it's not too good for your whatever, what it is. So please try and be safe. You're trying to be healthy and be fit. Don't then cause something else. Amazing like products, you could look at them like with the holes, dry up immediately. Amazing style, you look trendy as well. Going to the gym, amazing. The long one, beautiful. You can get them quite very easy. They come in different colors, like I said. Look at it, the gray. Amazing quality, breathable, quick dry, good to go. So, and for the ladies as well, try as much as possible to separate your gym wears. Your underwears, let us know that this is like for your own. I'm not saying that probably I'm looking out for you guys, but I'm just saying like for your own benefit, your health benefit, try as much as possible to separate the both of them. Now, you should wear something like of this, and probably like from here to here, okay, so that it's quite very easy for you to so it doesn't go in between your legs and then there's a whole lot of heat around there. Not too nice. Okay, all right, I hope you guys are able to understand what I'm saying, right? I'm always here to just give you guys fitness tips, things that I feel that a lot of people are doing that is not right, and then probably instead of making you healthy, then you're jeopardizing your health. Absolutely, you can get all these from Ben Ola Fitness Store. All from Ben Ola Fitness Store. Get everything. There's a whole lot of discount from now to the end of the month. Maximize that discount, and yes, let's have it to your doorstep. I hope I've been able to give you guys some nice tips today. And yes, for those that I actually even thought about it, I was going, in fact, that's the next video. For those of you who's been fasting, well done. I hope you guys are doing probably well. I'm going to be sharing a video next week how you can actually maximize your fasting period. Probably losing weight or gaining weight. All right, so I hope you guys are enjoying my YouTube video. Please hit that subscribe button. It means a whole lot to me. I would really appreciate. Also like, share, and subscribe. See you guys next week, and yes, love you guys.